Hello. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing of Gemini jets, British Airways SAB 340B. Now, in my previous videos, we have unboxed a Hobbymaster, a Donald Douglas M4 or F4, whatever you call it. Today we are just going to be unboxing this little fella. So there you go. It's very small. There you go. So that one's going to go over here. I do have my own airport, by the way. It's not very big, but I can't move the camera right now because it's on a stand. Anyway, also we are going to be doing the unboxing of this, and this. Yes, and that's all in this video. So far we have had 1.5 minutes. Really? Anyway, so here we are. This is the 737-800 Boeing, and it's by Gemini Jets and limited edition. Ooh. So there you go. That's that, and here we go. I will do an airport update very soon, because I will do another unboxing very soon, because I have just ordered a Dash 8 Qantas Link. It should be coming here by about 3 days, so you won't see any videos, but I will do airport updates. I've also got my very stylish new hanger. So here's the 747. British Airways Boeing 747-1400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Gemini jets made for collectors by collectors, same with the other ones. And let's get a brief look up on it. The Boeing 747 is the latest growth variant of the dependable 747-100 aircraft, whose legend dates back. I don't know. Never mind. This was made in 2013, so last year, basically. Anyway, a couple of years ago. So that's that. Let's do compared to each other. George. And that was that. And the final one, I'm going to be unboxing this. I will also do an unboxing of my... Never mind, I've already done it. Now this one has colours on it, right? You can see on the front. Anyway, so go. That's my 380. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and well, thank you. Like, subscribe to my channel, and leave comments below. Thank you.